Hi, today at Garfin's Creation we'll be making this delicious creamy chicken keema recipe. It's a very simple and easy recipe and you'll find all the ingredients and the full recipe mentioned in the description box below. So let's start with the recipe. So here I've heated a vessel and added 3 tablespoons of cooking vegetable oil. Once the oil is hot enough, into it we'll be adding 1 cup, that is 2 onions which are finely chopped. We will just fry this onion on medium flame till it is nice and soft for about 2 minutes. Keep stirring the onion so that it is evenly cooked and does not get burned. For this recipe today, I'll be using chicken mince, but you can always replace it with other mince too. Now you can see the onions have become soft and translucent. Next, I'll be adding into it 2 tomatoes that are finely chopped. This is approximate 1 cup of tomato. Just give it a quick mix, and into it I'll be adding some salt. Here I'm adding 3/4 teaspoon of salt. You can always adjust it according to your taste. Along with the salt, I have also added 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now give this all a mix and continue cooking the tomatoes till they are a little bit soft for about 1 or 2 minutes. Once the tomatoes are a little bit soft, we'll be adding the chicken mince into it. Here I've taken 450 grams of chicken mince which is thoroughly washed. Mix the chicken well so that there are no lumps. Once the chicken is well mixed and separated, we'll be adding 1 chilli that is finely chopped. I'm just adding 1 chilli now. You can add more too, as later on we'll be adding more chilies into it. After adding the chilli and mixing it, we will cook the chicken on high flame for about 1 minute. I have not added any water into this recipe as yet. So now the tomato and the chicken have released all the juices and you can see it's got a bit wet now. So now the chicken has got a little bit white in color, that is after cooking it on high flame for 1 minute. We will now reduce the flame. We will now cover and cook this chicken for about 7 to 8 minutes on low flame, and do keep stirring this in between. So now after cooking this for about 7 to 8 minutes, we'll be adding some spices into it. I've taken 1 Maggie cube, chili powder, jeera powder, Garam masala powder and black pepper powder. I'll also be adding some ginger juliennes and 2 more green chilies which are slit. I'll also be adding 1/4 cup of dahi, that is curds. Now mix all the spices well with the chicken. Once these are all mixed well, we will just cover this and cook it again for about 5 to 6 minutes on low flame. Now the chicken is fully cooked and it's been simmering for about 6 minutes. There are last few ingredients to be added to this. To make the chicken keema creamy, we'll be adding 2 teaspoons of atta. Along with that, 1/4 cup of hot water. Mix that as well, and the atta is going to bind all the ingredients together. After mixing this, we'll be just adding 1 teaspoon of Kasuri Methi. Just crush it in your hands and then add it to the mince. As the mince is looking a little bit dry, I'll be adding 1/4 cup more of hot water. Adding hot water into the mince will not make the chicken hard. Now we'll mix this well and let it cook on medium flame for about 1 minute. And then we'll be just adding fresh cream, that is malai, into this. Add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh cream or malai into it and give it a mix. As we have added atta and the cream, the chicken mince is going to become nice and creamy. Lastly, garnish with some coriander leaves and ginger juliennes. And a creamy, delicious chicken keema or chicken mince is ready to be served. Thanks for watching, and I hope you do subscribe to Garfin's Creation for more such lovely recipes. I'll see you soon again. Till then, take care and bye-bye.